my dear students, welcome back. Myself Brahmanand Singh, and I hope you are doing fine and you are safe at your homes. In previous lectures, we have already discussed regarding the standard angles or trigonometrical ratios for standard angles. Today, we are going to discuss some problems related to those trigonometrical functions of the standard angles. ये जो आपके सामने अभी यहाँ बोर्ड पे है, that is a problem set, a new problem set for you all people, and it is based on the same standard angles, trigonometrical ratios for standard angles. So you can pause the video, note it down, solve it on your own, and if you found any difficulty in solving any of the problems, then you can look after the solution. So मैं अभी problem number 1 ले रहा हूँ. I am going to start with problem number 1, and you can note it down, just note it down and solve it on your own. उसके बाद अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, then you can just look after the solution. तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे जो भी basically जो those problems which are based on the standard values of the trigonometrical ratios for standard angles, तो आपको ये जो values हैं, जैसा कि हमने पिछले लेक्चर में देखा था कि हमने sin थीटा की डिफरेंट एंगल्स, स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स के लिए वैल्यू देखी थी, वहीं पे cos थीटा की, tan थीटा की, और वहीं पे मैंने आपको एक प्रॉब्लम सेट भी दिया था जिसमें आप लोग को बेसिकली cot थीटा, sec थीटा और cosec थीटा की वैल्यूज निकालनी थी फॉर द सेम स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स. तो मुझे लगता है कि आई प्री एज्यूम दैट यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन एंड ऑलरेडी remembered those values, you have already learned those values. तो मैं डायरेक्टली प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट करने जा रहा हूँ. अगर आपको याद नहीं है तो देन यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इट, दोज स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यूज. जो आपके पास स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यूज का टेबल है वो आपको याद करना ही पड़ेगा. यू हैव नो अदर चॉइस और ऑप्शंस. तो अभी मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1. तो इन प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 वी हैव इन फर्स्ट पार्ट sin square 30 degrees minus 2 cos cube of 60 degrees plus 3 tan 45, tan to the power of 445. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग को चाहिए sin 30 की वैल्यू. sin 30 is equals to हाफ. वहीं पे हमारे पास cos 60 की वैल्यू चाहिए हमको. cos 60 is again going to be half, और हमको चाहिए tan 45 की वैल्यू. tan 45 is equals to 1. तो ये हमारे पास बेसिकली वैल्यूज हैं. अब it is straightforward simple question. We have to just put up these values in the given problem and solve out for the values. तो बेसिकली ये हो जाएगा sin square of 30 minus 2 cos cube of 60 plus 3 tan to the power of 45 degrees. So tan square of 30 is 1 by 2 whole square minus 2 cos 60 again 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 tan 45 is 1 to the power of 4. तो यहाँ से हम देख सकते हैं this is 1 by 4 minus 2 into 1 by 8 plus 3. So this is going to be 1. तो यहाँ से हम कह सकते हैं this is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 3. This is to be 3. So by this way we have solved the problem number 1. Now we are going to move to Problem number 2. In problem number 2, we require tan 30, tan 60, sin 30 and sin 90. So first of all, for any problem, you should look after the values which is required in that particular problem. Then after, you can put those values in the given problem and find out the values. So we require, in problem number 2, we require sine of 30 degrees, so that is going to be half. Sine of 90, that is going to be 1. Cos of 0, it is also 1. Tan of 30, tan of 30 degrees is going to be 1 upon root 3, and tan of 60 is going to be root 3. So now you have all the values in the given problems, required in the given problems, so you can just put up the values and find the value. So 1 upon 2 minus 1 plus 2, cos 0 is going to be 1, so you can directly put up the value. Tan 30 is going to be 1 by root 3 into root 3. So that is going to be, this is going to be minus of half. When you are going to subtract it from 2, this is going to be 3 by 2. Or this will cancel out, root 3 will get cancelled out by root 3. So you are going to get a value of 3 by 2. So now next problem, problem number 2, we are going to take up problem number 2. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2 में हमको डायरेक्टली एंगल ना देके we have given x as 15. Now we have to put this x in this particular equation, given equation. As soon as we put up x, value of x in the equation, we require 2x, 4x and 6x. So this is going to be 2 into 15, that is going to be 30 degrees. This is 4 into 15, this is going to be 60 degrees, and 6 into 15, this is going to be 90 degrees. So now you have sine of 30 degrees, you require sine of 30 degrees, that is going to be half. Then you require cos of 60 degrees, so this is going to be again half, and then you require sine of 90 degrees, so that is going to be 1. So now you can put up the values. This is going to be 8 into cos of this, cos of 2x, that is equals to sine of 30, this is going to be half. Again cos of 4x is going to be cos 60, and that is equals to half. And we have sine 90, and that is going to be 1. So now multiplying those values, you can obtain the value, and that is going to be 2. A similar question has been given in problem number 3, where the values of A and B has been provided. So you can just put up these values in these equations and find out the values. For problem number 1, in the third question, we only require the value of A, and A is given to be 15 degrees. So now you require cos of 3a, so that is going to be cos of 45, and that is equals to 1 upon root 2. In similar way, you require cos of 4a, so that is going to be cos of 60, and cos of 60 is half. Again, you require sine of 3a. Sine of 3a is sine of 45, so that is going to be 1.2, and cos of 4a we have already calculated. So now you can put up the value. Cos of 3a, so that is going to be 1 upon root 2 minus 2 into 1 upon 2 divided by sine of 3a is 1 upon root 2 minus plus 2 into 1 upon. So now you have this 2 will cancel out, and you will be having 1 upon root 2 minus 1 divided by 1 upon root 2 plus 1. So from here you have 1 minus root 2 divided by root 2 divided by 1 plus root 2 divided by root 2. So now you can cancel out this root 2, and you will be having the answer as this will be equals to 1 minus root 2 divided by 1 plus. So you can also factorize this by multiplying it with 1 minus root 2 on both numerator and denominator. So by using that, you can get the values as 1 minus root 2 whole square divided by this is going to be minus 1. So this is the value is going to be minus of 1 minus root 2 whole square. So this is the solution of problem number 3rd. Now we are going to move to the problem number 4. For the second part of problem number 3rd, again we have been given the value of angle B, and that is equals to 20 degrees. So let us solve the second part of the problem number 3rd. We have B is equals to 20 degrees. So we require 3B, sine of 3B. So that is going to be sine of 60 degrees, and that is equals to root 3 by 2. Again we require cos of 2b plus 5 degrees. So that is going to be cos of 40 plus 5 degrees, and that is equals to 1 upon 2. Cos of 3b is cos of 60, and that is going to be half. Similarly, for sine of 2b minus 10 degrees, is equals to sine of 30, and that is equals to half. So again, putting the values of the required standard angles in the given problem, we can calculate the values. This is going to be 3 into sine of 3b, that is root 3 upon 2, plus 2 into cos of 45 is 1 upon root 2, divided by 2 cos of 3b. 2 into cos of 3b we have already calculated, that is half, again minus sine of 30 degrees, and that is going to be half. So now you can calculate the value. So this is going to be root 2 will cancel out from here, or you can just take a common 2 root 2. So we can take LCM as this is going to be 3 under root of 6 plus 4 divided by 2 under root 2 divided by half. So this will cancel out, and the answer will be 3 root 6 plus 4 divided by root 2. So this is the solution of the second part of the problem number 3. Now we are going to move to the another problem set. आपके सामने अगेन एक नया प्रॉब्लम सेट है। तो अगेन आप लोग 1 मिनट इस वीडियो को पॉज कर सकते हैं। यू कैन नोट डाउन दिस प्रॉब्लम्स एंड ट्राई इट ऑन योर ओन। और आपको अगर प्रॉब्लम हो रही है इन प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने में, तो आप लोग सॉल्यूशन देख सकते हैं। मैं प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4 स्टार्ट करने जा रहा हूँ। सो यू कैन जस्ट पॉज, नोट इट डाउन एंड ट्राई इट ऑन योर ओन। अभी हम लोग देखते हैं प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4। तो ये बेसिकली जो आपके पास एक्सरसाइज है प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4 और प्रॉब्लम नंबर 5, और जो इसके बाद में प्रॉब्लम सेट आपको असाइनमेंट देने वाला हूँ, दोज आर बेसिकली ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फार्मूलाज। बेसिकली दीज इक्वेशंस, प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4 का थर्ड पार्ट, फर्स्ट पार्ट और उसके बाद हमारे पास फिफ्थ पार्ट, दीज आर बेसिकली ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फार्मूलाज and you will be using these formulas in upcoming higher classes। तो ये जो formulas हैं कुछ, अभी तो आप basically you are putting down the values and proving those formulas। अब higher classes में जाएंगे तो you have to use these kind of formulas for solving the trigonometrical problems in your higher classes। तो आइए हम लोग प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4 से स्टार्ट करते हैं। We have problem number 4, first part. We have to prove that sine of 60 is 2 sine 30 plus into cos of 30. So sine of 60, we know the value is root 3 upon 2. Now we require sine of 30. Sine of 30 is going to be half, and cos of 30 again it is going to be root 3 upon 2. By putting down the values in the given equation on RHS side, here we have the LHS side। RHS side में हमारे पास है 2 into half into root 3 upon 2। So this will cancel out and the value will become root 3 by 2। So LHS becomes RHS। So you have the formula sine of 2 theta is equals to 2 sine theta cos of theta।
तो आपसे मैं एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि यू शुड राइट डाउन दीज फॉर्मूलाज सेपरेटली। अभी तो फिलहाल ये जो है इट इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, बट दिस इज अ फॉर्मूला, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फॉर्मूला, दैट इज साइन ऑफ 2 थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 2 साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा। तो आप लोग एक काम करिए, यू टेक अ शीट ऑफ पेपर ऑन विच यू राइट इट डाउन सेपरेटली। तो बाद में आपको जब रिकॉल करना होगा, यू वांट टू लर्न दोज फॉर्मूलाज, देन इट विल बी अ ईजियर टास्क फॉर यू। तो अभी जो है हम लोग के पास जो फॉर्मूला आ चुका है, साइन ऑफ 2 थीटा इज 2 साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा। तो अभी हम लोग प्रॉब्लम नंबर सेकंड पे जाते हैं। प्रॉब्लम नंबर सेकंड में जो हमारे पास प्रॉब्लम गिवन है, उसमें जो सेकंड पार्ट है वो देखते हैं। तो अगेन हमको रिक्वायर्ड है ऑन LHS साइड, वी ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट। वी रिक्वायर साइन ऑफ 30, that is going to be half, cos of 60 is again going to be half। वहीं पे हमारे पास रिक्वायर्ड है हमको cos of 45 is equals to 1/√2, और जो हमारे पास रिक्वायर्ड है साइन ऑफ 90, अगेन वी नो दैट इट इज गोइंग टू बी 1। तो आई एम डायरेक्टली पुटिंग अप द वैल्यूज, these values into the given problem on LHS side. So we have 4 into sine of 30 is 1/2 whole to the power of 4 plus sin cos of 60 1/2 again to the power of 4 minus 3 into cos square 1/√2 whole square minus 1 square. So now we can solve it. This is going to be 8 into 1/2 to the power of 4 minus 3 into 1/2 minus 1, so that is going to be half, that is going to be minus half। तो यहाँ से अब जब हम लोग माइनस टेक आउट करेंगे तो दैट इज गोइंग टू बिकम प्लस, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी 3/2, और ये जो हमारे पास आएगी वैल्यू दैट इज गोइंग टू बी 8 into 1/16 minus 3/2. So this value will get cancel out, sorry, plus 3/2, this value will cancel out and this will become 1/2 plus 3/2, and that is going to be 2, and that is equals to RHS. So we have proved that LHS is going to be equals to RHS. So that proves your problem number, second part of your problem number 4. Now we are going to move to the problem number, third part of the problem number 4. So in the problem number 3rd, I am not going to write down the values of the trigonometrical functions and directly putting up the values in the given problem. So we have A is equals to 30 degrees. A is given to be 30 degrees. So in first part, cos of 90. Cos of 90 is, we know that 1. So this is going to be 1 on LHS side. Now on RHS side, that is equals to 4 cos cube of A. 4 into cos cube of A, this is going to be √3/2 whole cube minus 3 into cos of A. Cos A is √3/2. So this is going to be 4 into 3 √3 divided by 8 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2. So this is going to cancel out. So this is going to be which was cube by 3 by 2 whole cube two is 8. So sorry, this is going to be 0. Cos 90 is 0. That's what the mistake was. This is going to be 3 root 3 divided by 2 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2, and that is going to be equals to 0. So that is equals to LHS. So RHS is going to be equals to LHS. Now in problem number second part of problem number 3rd, we have to prove sine square of sine 30 minus cos 30. So sine 30 is half minus cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 whole square. This is the LHS. So that is equals to, you can take 2 as LCM, and that is going to be 1 upon 1 minus root 3 whole square divided by 4. So that is the value on the LHS side. Now on RHS side, we have 1 minus 2a, 1 minus 2 sine of 60 degrees. Sine of 60 is root 3 by 2. So that is going to be that is going to be 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. तो अभी यहाँ पे बेसिकली हमारे पास जो स्क्वायर है, मैं इसको ओपन कर रहा हूँ. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 1 प्लस 3 माइनस 2 अंडर रूट 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 4. तो यहाँ पे 4 आएगा. तो और ये यहाँ पे 2 रूट 3 है. यू कैन टेक आउट 2 कॉमन और 2 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. नीचे बचेगा 2 हमारे पास. सो आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट फर्दर. ये हमारे पास RHS ऑलरेडी आ चुका है. तो अभी ये हो जाएगा, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 4 माइनस 2 रूट 3 divided by 4. You can take out 2 common. 2 1 minus root 3 divided by 4. So this will cancel out. 2 will cancel out, and this will become 1 minus root 3 upon 2. So by this way we have solved the second problem. Now we are going to move to the third problem. तो थर्ड प्रॉब्लम में हमारे पास अगेन जो हमको गिवन है, दिस इज tan of a. तो tan of a, tan 30 is root 3. Oh sorry, 1 upon root 3. Tan of 30 is 1 upon root 3. So this is LHS. On RHS we have 1 minus cos 2a, that is 1 minus cos of 30. 2a is going to be 30 degrees, 60 degrees, so that is going to be half. That is going to be half divided by sin 2a. Sin 2a is again root 3 upon 2. So taking LCM, you can cancel out 2, and that is going to be 1 upon root 3. So LHS is going to be equals to RHS. This is problem number 3rd. On problem number 4th, we have again on LHS side sine of 60 is going to be equals to root 3 upon 2. Now we have on RHS side, first we are taking this is RHS 2 sine of A cos of A. So this is equals to, we have already proved this one, and you can see that is in problem number 1. We have already proved that one. So I am leaving out this problem, or we can solve it out. This is going to be sine 30 is going to be half into root 3 upon 2. So 2 will cancel out and you can get the value root 3 upon 2. On the other side we have 2 tan squares. Again on RHS side we have 2 tan A divided by 1 plus tan square of A. So now putting the values, tan of this is going to be 1 upon root 3. This is going to be 2 into 1 upon root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 upon 3. So this is going to be 4 upon 3. So that is going to be 2 by root 3 divided by 4 by 3. So again you can cancel out 2, root 3 will cancel out, and that will become root 3 upon 2. So now we are going to move to the problem number 5th, and that is the last problem we are going to take up today. So on problem number 5 we have given A is equals to 60 degrees and B is equals to 30 degrees. So sine of A plus B is going to be sine of 90, and that is going to be 1. So now putting the values in the equation on RHS side, we have sine of A is going to be 60 degrees, cos of B is going to be 30 degrees, plus cos of A is 60 degrees, and sine of B, that is going to be 30 degrees. So sine 60 is going to be root 3 upon 2 plus multiplied by cos of 30 is again root 3 upon 2 plus cos of 60 is going to be half into sine of 30 is again going to be half. So this is going to be 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. So this is going to be 1. So by this way we have solved all the problems of this second set. Now we have another problem set. These problems are a assignment for you all, and you have to solve out these problems, try out these problems, and if you find out any difficulty in solving these problems, then you can post it in the comment box. So we are going to conclude this lecture. Now that's all for today, and we are going to meet up in the next lecture. Till then, stay healthy and keep learning. Thank you.